Hey guys, it's Miss Borgnis. We're gonna be making Snickerdoodles today. So we're gonna start out with 2 bowls. We need a smaller and a larger, and the larger is gonna get our liquid ingredients. So as always, when it comes to cookies, we're gonna start by creaming our butter and whatever sugars we're using together. And then the same thing here, we want to squish. And tablespoons are a little bit harder to level off because they're not quite as big. So we're just going to kind of gently level that off. Make sure that if a shell does get in, you want to use the shell to go inside and take that shell out. So again, vanilla is expensive. You want to make sure you're measuring over top and pour that in. Cream of tartar is a leavening agent, a lot like baking soda or baking powder would be. It just makes your cookies fluffier and makes them rise up. Now with cookies, it's really important that we don't just dump this in here because that'll dry our cookies out. We want to kind of gradually stir them in. And it is going to get thicker and harder to stir as we go, just as the batter kind of thickens up. So we're going to go ahead and put these on a cookie sheet now. So what you want to do is you want to get some cinnamon sugar, and you want to put it into a custard cup. You can either buy pre-made cinnamon sugar or you can make it yourself with a 1/4 cup of sugar for every 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get a tablespoonful. And with clean hands, what you're gonna do is peel it off. And for some reason, you guys love to squish it. You don't wanna squish it, you just kinda wanna toss it back and forth in your hands. And then you're gonna roll that in your cinnamon sugar and place it on your cookie sheet. All right, so you can see that they didn't really expand this way, they expanded this way, which is exactly what we wanted them to do. So again, we want to get these as soon as possible off of the cookie sheet because they will continue to cook if they stay on there. If they look like they're gooey in the middle, they're probably not done yet, but these ones look like they're pretty good. And you can tell by like the little bit of crack that they have in them, or the little crackage that they have on top of them.